everybody, Paul here. When a check engine light turns on the dashboard of your vehicle from a bad oxygen sensor, not only will a diagnostic scanner display the appropriate trouble code, but it will also display the term Bank 1 or B1, or Bank 2 or B2. It will also display a sensor number. It may also display the term upstream or downstream. So what exactly does all that mean? Well, these terms are used to locate a specific oxygen sensor that's gone bad and needs to be replaced on the exhaust system of your vehicle. Let's take a further look.
The term bank is used to identify a specific side of the engine, which is a row of cylinders. Bank 1 is always located on the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. Cylinder number 1 is always located at the front or the most forward cylinder on the engine. Bank 2 is always located on the opposite side of Bank 1. This applies to inline, V-type, and horizontally opposed engines. Here's a top view of a straight inline engine with 4 cylinders. Notice how cylinder number 1 is located at the front of the engine. This engine only has a Bank 1. There is no Bank 2. Here's a top view of a V8 engine with 8 cylinders. Notice how cylinder number 1 is located at the front of the engine or the most forward cylinder on the engine. On this particular engine, cylinder number 1 is on the left side, making it the Bank 1 side. Bank 2 is located on the opposite side.
Engines that have both a Bank 1 and Bank 2 are manufacturer specific and can have a Bank 1 located on either the right or left side of the engine. The best way to know for sure which side is Bank 1 is to check the vehicle's service manual. If you don't have a service manual, then disconnect the electrical connection at one of the oxygen sensors, which will then display Bank 1 or Bank 2 on the diagnostic scanner.
The term upstream and downstream is used to identify a specific location on the exhaust system in relation to the catalytic converter. Catalytic converters reduce air pollution, which come in all different shapes and sizes and are found in different locations, which are usually found underneath the vehicle. The term upstream means the location on the exhaust pipe between the catalytic converter and the engine or before the catalytic converter, also known as pre-cat. The term downstream means the location on the exhaust pipe between the catalytic converter and the tailpipe or after the catalytic converter, also known as post-cat. Years ago, when oxygen sensors first started being used, a vehicle may have had just 1 or 2 depending on the number of banks, but today's vehicles can have as many as 4 to 8 depending on the number of banks. Diagnostic scanners will use oxygen sensor terminology such as B for bank, O2 or S for oxygen sensor, and may even display upstream and downstream. These terms are used to locate the faulty oxygen sensor. The following diagram shows oxygen sensors in relation to the engine and catalytic converter. Along with this, we'll use oxygen sensor terminology displayed on a diagnostic scanner to locate the faulty oxygen sensor. We'll start with Bank 1 at the top right. Oxygen sensor Bank 1, sensor 1 upstream. Oxygen sensor Bank 1, sensor 2 upstream. Oxygen sensor Bank 1, sensor 3 downstream. Oxygen sensor Bank 1, sensor 4 downstream. Oxygen sensor Bank 2, sensor 1 upstream. Oxygen sensor Bank 2, sensor 2 upstream. Oxygen sensor Bank 2, sensor 3 downstream. Oxygen sensor Bank 2, sensor 4 downstream.
So now that you know what Bank 1, Bank 2, upstream and downstream means, you'll be able to locate the correct oxygen sensor when it's gone bad and needs to be replaced. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.